Two soldiers and a robber. Once upon a time, there were two soldiers traveling together for a mission. They journeyed from one place to another, and by the time they arrived at a city, they were quite exhausted. One day, while they were traveling through the city, they began looking for a place to spend the night. Suddenly, a robber approaches them, thinking they carried valuable belongings. The robber attempted to intimidate them and take their possessions. Upon seeing the approaching threat, one of the soldiers quickly fled without looking back. However, the other soldier stood firm, drawing his sword in readiness. He engaged in a fierce battle with the robber, who struggled with all his might but couldn't overcome the skilled soldier's defense. In the end, the robber gave up and fled, leaving the brave soldier victorious. The soldier sheathed his sword and took a moment to catch his breath, all the while waiting for his partner to return. Eventually, the runaway soldier returned, sword in hand, and asked loudly, "Where is he? I will defeat the robber. Where is he? I will show him who he dared to attack." The brave soldier responded calmly, "You are a bit late, my friend. I only wish you had stood by me when I needed you. The robber is gone now. I defeated him. I don't need you to fight alongside me, but I needed your support. Now you come back, shouting and acting brave. You might pretend to be courageous, but I know you are actually a coward. You abandoned your friend, your partner in need. Even though you may fool others into thinking you are brave with your empty words, I, who have witnessed how quickly you run away when it matters, will always know who you truly are." Moral of the story: a coward may try to pretend to be brave, but he can't hide his cowardice forever.